What is up, friends and family of the YouTube community? Back at you guys with another video. Today we're going to talk on the topic of vision. What is a vision and how a clear vision can help you unleash extraordinary powers in yourself, right? So let's begin with what a vision is. A vision is a goal you set for yourself. It's a target that you set for your life. It's something in the future. You haven't arrived there yet, but metaphorically, let me describe what a vision is. The best way to put this to you guys. A vision is like a bridge, meaning if you're the king of your people, you're the king or the leader of your people, right? You're going out there to discover land. You find the land. You're Christopher Columbus. You find the land, but somehow your people are still on the boat. They're stranded on the boat, and the boat has no vision, meaning it has no destination of where it's going. And it's your right, to get your people to that land. It's your responsibility. And what a vision is, in metaphorical terms, is that bridge that fills the gap between where your people are on the land and where you are on. I'm sorry about that. Where people are on the boat and where you are on the land. And as your vision becomes stronger, you look at the bridge as a bridge built with steel beams, right? As your vision becomes stronger, more steel beams get added to the bridge, and then and one day, boom, it gets so strong that nothing can make it. Tsunamis, floods, or whatever can't destroy that bridge, right? Because that bridge is so fucking strong. And that's why I tell you guys, I'm always focused on vision, right? Throughout the day, I'm thinking about my vision. I'm thinking vision. I'm always envisioning myself the person I want to become one day. It's like I said, life isn't about who you become. Life isn't about what you get. It's about who you become. And I'm so focused on vision because when you deal with adversity, when you deal with struggles, when you have hard times in your life, your vision can help you get through those struggles. It can help you get through the hard times. When you're down and out, no one believes in you. Your own belief picks you back up, and that vision allows you to cross to bridge the gap between where you are on the land and where your people are. And the thing about vision is, only you have the power, you have the belief to see where your vision is. So let's get back on the top of our yard. Remember last time when I showed up how fucked up this yard was? Now look at that. That's even more fucked up, right? Well, it's not that bad, but it's pretty bad. Well, with vision, it deals with the transformation mentality, right? The landlords here, they have a clear vision of what that yard's gonna be. In a couple of months, that yard is gonna be fucking beautiful. But right now, that yard looks like fucking shit, right? It looks like fucking dog doo-doo. Looks like camel's turd. That's what Gordon Ramsay would call it. But people don't have the vision. And people don't see the vision, fuck those motherfuckers, screw them. You have to have a clear vision for your life, meaning the landlord here has a clear vision what this yard's gonna look like. Everyone's gonna doubt them. Everyone's gonna say, no, this yard looks like shit. Oh, but one day when that yard becomes beautiful, people will be like, oh my God, I can't believe that happened. That's because the guy had a clear vision, right? So let's get back on the topic. Going off a tangent here, guys. You need a clear vision for your life. You need to know where you go. And no one puts it better than Arnold Schwarzenegger. He says the reason why he became such a successful bodybuilder / politician / movie star is because he always had a vision. He was always focused on that vision, the vision of where he is. So if nothing else today, I want you guys to make a move, right? Establish a powerful vision for your life. Something that's not so big to where you can't reach it, but something powerful enough to know that you can reach it. And that goal, that target you want to hit is so exciting that when adversity comes, when the hard times comes, you thrive, right? Everyone else is trying to survive, but you're fucking thriving. Anyways, guys, that's the end of my rant today. Please like, comment, subscribe if you like my video, and I will see you guys out later.